Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit Solana to Axiom Pro. So if you want to do this, what we're going to do right here is we select right here deposit. And then we click right here on Solana, and then this is our deposit address. Then we click here on copy, and now what you're going to do is go to a crypto broker or a Phantom wallet or maybe a Trust wallet. And then what we're going to do is we need to withdraw crypto from that wallet or send crypto. So we go right here to Phantom wallet, and then we select right here send Solana, and then we fill in right here the address that is standing right here. But please double check it, because once this wallet address is different than this address, you won't see your Solana in your Axiom Pro account. So be careful with that. Then fill in right here the amount. So let's do 1, and then you can click right here on next and then send your Solana to Axiom Pro. I don't have any money standing on my Phantom wallet, so that is why he's saying right here insufficient balance. So if you have money on your Phantom wallet, this is the way how you can deposit Solana to Axiom Pro. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you want to create yourself an account on Axiom Pro, please check out the description where I created a link where you can save 10% of fees right there on Axiom Pro. So click on that link, create yourself an account, and that will be amazing because you are also supporting me. And hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.